want to get massive traffic on your blog website, your ad network, your CPA link, your affiliate link, I would advise you to generate lead from Google Form. Alright, in this very video I'm going to simply show you how to create Google Form, and with this form you're going to create, you can easily generate lead, get traffic, get people to subscribe to your form. Once they subscribe, you're going to gather all their email, then whenever you like, you can easily send them an email newsletter from your blog website. Okay, so this is totally easy and free. Anybody can do this and generate a lot of traffic online without paying a dime. All right, so with this strategy you don't need to spend more money on advertisement, you don't need to run any ads again on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Okay, so you just have to make sure you gather all the traffic, then bank it up on your Google Form, then generate all the leads you need, then go back to your blog website. Whenever you publish a post, you can easily send them a newsletter. So in this very video I'm going to simply show you how to create Google Form. And so if you're ready, let's get into it right now. And we're going to be following 4 simple steps. The first step is to create your Google account. All right, so if you head over to your Google Chrome, this is Google Chrome right here, and you have to make sure you create your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can easily click on this section that says add. All right, you can simply go ahead and click on sign in, or you create a new account, okay, with your details, your full details, email, your name, your password, your phone number. All right, so once you create your Google account, this is how it's gonna look like. You can see right here, this is my own Google account right now. And once you create that, head over to your Chrome browser, whether you're on mobile or desktop. All right, so if you're on your mobile, you're not going to simply see all of these very features, but you can easily see that when you click on the desktop section of your mobile phone. Okay, so you have to simply convert the Chrome to desktop. All right, then you're going to simply see all these very information, where you can easily see the Gmail, the images. You can see this very button right here, then click on this Google Apps. Okay, if you click on this Google Apps, you're going to bring out all of these very features right here. Then scroll down a little bit down to the very section where you can see the Google Forms. All right, click on Google Forms, allow it to load. All right, so once you select that, the next step is to choose a template. All right, so that is the second step. All right, so if you come to this section, you're going to see there are various templates they've already provided. You can see right here, these are the templates they've already provided, and you can also see this section where you can easily see all the free template they've already created for us. So you can easily go ahead and select any of these templates here. All you need to do is simply do the customization, then you go ahead and export your form. All right, but if you don't want to follow any of this, you have to simply click on this blank form. If you click on the blank form, then the next thing you're going to do right now is simply allow it to load. All right, so the next step is to customize the form. Okay, so here we are going to simply customize the form by clicking on this section. You can see this is the title of the form. For instance, this is a test form, or you can say newsletter. All right, or you say subscribe. Anything you feel like adding there, you can add it. Remember, this is your form. All right, so you have to simply add all right, so the next thing you're going to do right now is simply add your form description. Okay, so you can say subscribe here to get more details. Okay, so remember, we are collecting leads. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is simply add the question type. Okay, any type of question you want to add, you can really go ahead and add that. Okay, for instance, if I say option 1 here, this is going to be a name, the name of the person signing up. Let's say we add name here. Then once you add that, you can easily select any of these options here. You can see we have short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, and the rest of that. Okay, so remember, we've already selected short answer here. Okay, so once you add this name, you're gonna see short answer right here, so which means the person is gonna put his or her name here. Okay, then make sure you select this required here. This required means this particular section is important, like you have to fill it before you can easily proceed. Okay, so let's select this, and this is going to be mandatory for them to fill. Okay, so we've already selected that. The next thing we're going to do right now is simply click on this button to add another option. Then the next thing we're going to do right now is simply add email address. Okay, Let's select email address. Okay, then we have to select short answer again, because they have to put in their email address here, because we are collecting this very information. All right, so then click on this required section. All right, so once you add that, then we're going to simply add another option. Click on this plus button again. Then let's say we want to go for the multiple choices, where you can see this is a multiple choice, and let's say we want to select that. Then we're going to simply ask them a few questions, like one question. All right, so let's say for instance you want them to become your premium members, so that they can easily access any type of product you want to promote, or any type of link. Maybe you're a CPA marketer or affiliate marketer, or you want them to join your platform to stay updated on what you do. Then you have to simply ask them, would you like to become a VIP member for free? Let's say all right, so we're going to simply ask the question. This is the question: would you like to become a VIP member for free today? All right, then the question should be either yes or no. Let's say yes. Then add another one. No. Let's say no. Okay, then remove this one. Then this is the question here. You can also go ahead and add an image, attach an image to the answer. All right, to make it appear more unique. Okay, make sure you add this required section, okay, so that anybody can easily fulfill your form. All right, on this very section you can also import questions. You can add more text, maybe design your text the way you want it. You can add images, you can add YouTube videos, any other thing. All right, so for instance, if this is what we want, we have to simply go ahead and set up the form, customize it to our text by clicking on this section. So you can easily go ahead and add image. You don't have to bother yourself, they're going to simply provide you some images. Okay, so these are the images available. So you can also go ahead and upload one if you have a specific image you want to upload. Okay, alright, you can see this section that says photos. You can also upload photos on this very section. Okay, let's go to the theme. Okay, if you want to go for theme right here, let's select any of these themes right here. Okay, let's say we want to go for something unique. You can see these are the categories: illustration, birthday, food, blah blah blah. Let's say we want to go for illustration. You can see food and dining. You can see just kid, party, work and school. Let's select work and school. Okay, so it's somehow related to business. Okay, so let's select any of that from here. Work and school. Let's say I want to go for this or this. Then I'm going to select insert. Okay, I've already added that. So remember the type of image you added, then you have to make sure you select a color that is similar to that. Okay, so I think the color that will suit that, or the background that will suit that, should be somewhere here. Then bring it down a little bit. Okay, then click on add. Then you can easily scroll down. Then for the background, let's leave it the way it is, then apply. All right, so once you apply that, allow it to load. You can see this is the image here. Okay, so this is the image and this is our form. Okay, all right, so you can simply select another theme. Let's say background, apply. You can see the background has been changed. All right, and the next thing we're going to do right now is simply send this to anybody we want to send it to. Okay, and if you click on this more section, you can easily go ahead and preview this form. Okay, let's see how it looks like. All right, so you can see this form right here. You can see subscribe to become a member. And one thing about this form is that once you click on the form, so long as you have a Google account, automatically they're going to bring out your email address, okay? Or you can easily switch over to the one you want to go for, okay? Then you can see the name right here where you can easily put your name. You can see the email. You can see this section that's asked us whether we are VIP member or not. Then you can easily select yes, okay? We want to become VIP member, then select yes, then click on submit, okay? You can see you cannot submit this without putting this. That's the reason why you have to make those those sections required, right? So this is simply how you can easily create your Google form, okay? So if you go back here, you want to send it out to your friend, simply click on this send button. You can easily send this via email, or you copy the link. Okay, you copy the link. This is the link, or you shorten it. You can go ahead and shorten it by clicking here. It has been shortened. This is the link, and you have to make sure you click on copy to copy it and share to anybody. If you want to embed this on your website, you click on this section. Then on this section right here, you're gonna simply click on copy, then embed this on your website blog. Anybody that comes there to register or to view your blog can easily complete the form. If you want to get a lot of traffic to this very form with Facebook ad, I've already made a video on how to run a Facebook ad for arbitrage to get a lot of clicks. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can easily join us on our Patreon. The full course is on Patreon. All right, this is how you can easily create your Google form. So if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. If you have anything bothering you, click the link in the video description and join us on our Telegram channel. I'm going to be there to reply you. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video.